Good everyone, welcome to my channel. Now in today's video, we're looking at homologous series and their formulas. So first of all, what is homologous series? Now, homologous series is a family of organic compounds that follows a regular structural pattern. Again, a regular structural pattern in which each member differs by CH2. So examples of those homologous series is what we're going to be discussing in today's video. Not just homologous series, but also what's their formula. So the first one now we have is alkane. Alkane. So alkane is a homologous series. And now the formula is what? CnH2n plus 2. That is for alkane. Then the next one we have alkene. Alkene. So alkene we have CnH2n. Ordinary, no plus 2, no minus 2, no plus 1, just CnH2n. So now this alkene, they are double bonds. So you put it here equals to, open brackets rather, equal to, because it's what is a double bond. While this one is just a single bond. Okay. Now the next one we have alkyne. Alkyne. So in here we have C and H2 and minus 2. If you observe, this first one is what? Plus 2. The other one is what? No plus or no minus. While the third one is C and H2 and minus 2. So this one now, they are triple bond. You can see it. So the next one they're going, we have aromatic. 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 So you have C and H2 and minus 6. That is where your benzene comes in. Aromatic C and H2 and minus 6. The next one we have alkanose. So alkanose is C and H2n plus 1 OH. Cn H2n plus 1 OH. So now we have the next one, alkanoic acid, CnH2n plus 1 COOH. Now we have alkanals. Alkanals is CnH2n. Then we have O. So these are some of the homologous series and their formulas. So we started from what? Alkane. Alkane is what? CnH2n plus 2. Alkene is what? CnH2n. Alkene is a double bond. Now, in terms of hydrocarbons, because when you see carbon and hydrogen, they are being called hydrocarbons. Now we have two types of hydrocarbons. We have the first one called saturated hydrocarbons, and we have the next one called unsaturated hydrocarbons. So these saturated hydrocarbons are majorly alkane because they have single bond, while unsaturated are alkene and alkyne because why they have like two double bonds or triple bonds. So now, moving on, we have alkyne CnH2n minus 2, which is a triple bond. We have the next one, aromatic, which is what? CnH2n minus 6. We have alkanose CnH2n plus 1 OH. Alkanoic acid and also what? Alkanose. Now I'm going to take alkane and I'm going to list out the members. I'm going to derive it. Then the next one I'll talk about alkane. We're going to start with methane. Now, this one, the N is going to be 1 in this part now. So you have remember the formula is what? CnH2n plus 2, right? So that N now in terms of methane is what? 1. So we have C1 H2 open bracket 1 plus 2. So C is 1 is same thing as what? C. So 2 times 1, 2 plus 2, that is 4. So we have CH4. That is for methane. Now we have ethane. Ethane is going to be 2. So we have C, the N will be what? 2. H 2 times 2, 4 plus 2, that is 6. C to what? H 6. Propane is what? C 3. 2 times 3, 6 plus 2 is what? 8. So now this is a trick. It's a special trick you can just do. This C is going to be increasing by 1, but the hydrogen will increase by 2. Because that's what they said. Each member differs by what? CH2. That is for homologous series. So now we have C4 H10, C5 H12, C6 H14, C7 H16. Now I want you to tell me your answer for octane and nonane in the comment section. So if heptane is C7 H16, I wanted to do octane and also nonane. So in my next video, I'll be doing alkene and also the likes. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also to turn on the notification bell so as to receive more videos like this. I remain Tochi, your favorite science tutor. See you in my next video.